then come home and tell your mom and dad and get married. Dr. Trevor, Dr. Kanafi had Yero Biuma Kanakasatile, Yero Arbitan, Yeronagati, Amut, Ahad, Baltigani, and Yungatani, Imbonia, and Boyer in Talabogan. Warren Iradua, Winarga to Antani, income Namikanya Marketa, Dubertin, Yerogara, Antigaragal, Desi, Umadivi, Okan or Mati, or Matikan Namar, Jechumamade, position in Jodigara Makesa, Kichuma scientifically. Our people say that when baby girls are born, we become pregnant, they tend to say they turn their back to the mother and face that way. But it's just their imagination, because the girls are always given away. And that's why they think the girls sit that way, but scientifically it's not right. But I just visualized the whole thing when she was going through, because even though I wasn't married in the same culture and everything, I have gone through it, I have seen it, and it is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful culture. It's the most wonderful culture. Dubarton Namon Ijolen Kenya, even though they were given away against their will, they will still respect their family. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it works. But culturally we accept it, that's why it was that way. Amamo Hinjire Ojanesi Akakanati Fununes in the name Jijira Mera, Haluan Jijira maybe, but it's the most beautiful culture. And it is just very, very satisfying. I'm so glad you took me back to my youth age. Thank you very much. Bayee magamatisa gaaf tokko garuu dramaadhaan wanti kun akka inni ilaalamu itti shaakalame ilaalamu irra jira waan. This is really a beautiful scenery to be seen.